Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to simplify this third expression. Correct solution. We have 2 square root of 72 minus root 18. Now, another way to write 72 is 36 times 2. 36 times 2 give us 72, and also 18. We have 9 times 2. 9 times 2 give us 18. You can see the factors of 72 that I used. As one of it to be a perfect square number, which is 36, and for 18, we have 9, which is a perfect square number. It means we have to be familiar with the perfect square numbers. Now, what are perfect square numbers? Numbers that you can find their square roots. Like 4 is a perfect square number. We have 9, we have 16, we have 25, we have 49, we have 64. Right, like that, these are perfect square numbers. So, when you are looking for factors of these numbers, one of the factors must be a perfect square number. Right, so from here, we do square root of 36 multiplied by square root of 2. And also here we do square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 2. Right, so what is square root of 36? Square root of 36 is 6, multiplied with root 2, minus square root of 9 is 3, multiplied by root 2. We expand the bracket, we open this bracket. 2 times 6 is 12, so we have 12 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Right, so we can factor out root 2, root 2 is common. Factor out 2. Right, so when you factor out root 2, we can bring it out. What do you have? Here we have 12 left. And then what do we have? We have 3. Right, so let's subtract 3 from 12. 12 minus 3 gives us 9. And root 2 times 9, and also written as 9 root 2. That means our final answer is 9 root 2. Okay, now let's try this. Let's try this. Simplify root 125 plus 3 root 15. Okay, so let's try this. And write our answer in the comment section. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and also comment. And if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you.